welcome back to part 2 on this Vauxhall Adam. We'll go through some parts now, or we've got all the parts we need to repair this car. So as I said, we were after a full bumper, which has got all the lights and the grills, because that works out expensive if you need to buy them separately, but we've got one there that is in colour. We said we needed a replacement headlight, so we've got that one there. That's fine. And moving on, we do have the new light support bracket, and also the number plate, and as we already said, we've got the bumper support and the wheel arch liner. So what we'll do, I think we'll put it onto a bit of time lapse. We'll start stripping these old parts down and we'll get this built back up, and then we'll see how it turns out. So enjoy the time lapse. And there we are. That's it. As we said, it was not a lot of work behind there. We'll take a look now. Obviously we replaced the headlight, we've replaced the bumper, the wing bracket, not the wing bracket, the bumper bracket behind there has now been replaced, so everything's good on this side. New number plate is put on, so we can take that one out the window. We just got to give everything a good polish now, and then really we'll get it polished, and then we'll get it up, take some video footage, and then it will be up for sale. So we'll get this polished, and then you'll be able to see the full walk around video. So let's crack on with that. So here is the finished 2017 Vauxhall Adam Energised. It is a 1.2 4-cylinder engine with 5-speed manual gearbox. As seen, it is on the insurance register as a category N, but is now fully repaired and ready for sale. It does come with MOT till April 2027 and also comes with one key. Moving on to the inside, it does have such features as remote central lock-in, electric windows, electric mirrors, air conditioning, electronic city steering, touchscreen infotainment system with DAB and Bluetooth connectivity. If you like the content that's on my channel, then do please hit that thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, because it really helps me out. If you'd like any more information on any cars you see on the channel, or if you have a non-runner or accident damaged car that you think I might be interested in, then do message me at c96rebuilds@gmail.com. But that's it for now, and I'll see you in another video.